Hey guys, it's me, Caden. We're back with another game. I preferably don't like this game, but I do like this game. It's pretty fun. Um, I think what I'm gonna do is I will show a series of mini games and gameplay games. Some of them will be longer games. Some of them will be shorter games like this one. And I'm just testing this video out to see if it has good sound and good quality of speech, and if it don't, then I guess that sucks for me. Okay, so we will get started right now. See the farm. I like that farm. Um, Aw, come on. Well,